My favourite bits about the Forest Healing Festival are the music, the workshops. The workshop lineup is full of really great things, and the music lineup is full of good live music.
I went to Tenerife, I've gone to Sedona, and the energy here, especially here at Earth Village, is like really very pure. Coming up and sleeping here was really actually very amazing, so peaceful. It's the place where they just set aside everything, just look up the sky and look up the trees and remember the beautiful, most beautiful place that we live in, so-called the Earth. Just remember that essence of ourselves and what we are part of.
Yeah, it was incredible. So much energy, so much just vitality and love. Especially at the end, like we're all like giving each other big hugs, and it's lovely. And especially Korean, Japanese, beautiful people. So yeah, it was such a good experience.
When you just walk in here, in this grand nature, everybody will feel you can release and let go of everything and just receive.